Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the blending of two acrylic colors, which is the Viridian and the white. So I've got two tubes from Camel, and all the details about the colors are written on them. If you have bottles, get them out. If you don't have acrylics and you're still watching this video and you want to learn how to do blending of two different colors, then if you have poster colors, get them out and try it out with them. And then when you switch over to your acrylics, you can use that. I've got acrylics paper over here, which is about 440 GSM. So make sure that you have a good acrylic paper before you start painting. You can also try the same thing on a canvas. The result's going to be this similar one. So I've got a good squeeze of Viridian, and then I'm going to take a squeeze of the white below it, and then I'll show you how to blend it. So this video is in real time in terms of this section where I'm going to be blending the colors. So just observe how fast or swift my hand motion is, because it's very important for us to make sure that our hand motion is going fine. The size of this paper is A6. So I've wet the brush, it's not too much of water, and now I'm just moving my Viridian from left to right. You can notice that the Viridian hue is not so pigmented. You can see the paper through, which means we will have to take a little bit of the white and make sure that it goes up onto the Viridian, so that it gets a little thicker. So this is one way of how you use acrylic colors. They are all not going to be the same, so it's good to take like swatches of your colors so you have an idea about how pigmented a color is and how less pigmented it is. So my top part is now a little okay, but I can still see like a little bit of paper through, but it's not as bad as before. So I'm going in the same swift motion left to right. You can see I'm not changing it. If you want, you can move your brush a little up and down, and you can see that the final strokes will reflect that, because that's the beauty of acrylics. If you're using a knife, then it's going to show those the texture is going to be different. If you're going to be using a brush, the texture is going to be pretty different. So now I like how this is looking. I'm probably just going to blend in a little bit where the Viridian and the white is meeting, because it's too strong. So I've cleaned my brush because there was a lot of white in my brush, and I don't want the top portion to completely be with white. So I've now blended it and it looks brilliant. I'm so happy with it. Once it is completely dry, then it's time for you to remove the masking tape. I haven't added any silhouette or any other details on this painting, because my idea was to just show you how to do the blending of these two specific colors. But you could always wait for it to dry, then add a little bit of silhouette, convert this into a painting and like a full scene, and then you can use it the way you want. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.